At the Natural History Museum, there is an obscure and unsettling collection. Follow us now down a quiet corridor, far from the public gaze, and enter an eerie and nightmarish world. Jars of fish pickled in alcohol stare from the shelves of a vast, lifeless aquarium. It looks like the work of a mad scientist, but it's the Natural History Museum's prized fish collection, one of the largest in the world. Creatures from every ocean collected for over 100 years. Fish from so deep they have developed grotesque and unworldly shapes. There are about 8 million specimens here, including one of the strangest and oldest creatures on Earth. It's a coelacanth, a fish with what many would argue are the beginnings of arms and legs. Could this be the missing link? The evolutionary bridge between man and beast? Scientists had long been aware of fossil evidence of a prehistoric fish dating from nearly 400 million years ago.
Everybody thought it had gone extinct with the dinosaurs. And then in 1938, one was found alive off the coast of South Africa. And it was just this phenomenal discovery, because it's like if you found a dinosaur walking out of the woods today. Even more astounding than that.
But the trouble was, although there was an expert on hand to identify it, there was no specialist equipment to preserve it, and it began to rot away. Scientific analysis was impossible. But the discovery had caused an international sensation, and although huge prizes were offered to anyone who could catch a coelacanth and bring it back alive, we had to wait for over 14 years before another specimen emerged. It was caught off the coast of Africa, and this time the scientists were called in soon enough to embark on a serious investigation. And what they found shook the scientific world.
It is the closest living relative to whatever ancestral form then led to amphibians and reptiles and birds and mammals. The coelacanth has many, many unique characteristics. Some of the more obvious ones are these lobed fins supported internally by bones, and are akin to arms and legs of higher vertebrates.
Nobody knows how many coelacanths inhabit the dark depths of the world's oceans. Today, deep water divers risk their lives in their quest to find this elusive creature. For the first time, scuba divers have filmed coelacanths at extreme depths displaying bizarre behavior. They dip into a headstand, then, using an electrosensory organ in their snout, detect their prey. Experts in evolution continue to puzzle over how the coelacanth could have survived over millions of years. There is also fierce debate on how this bizarre species fits into the evolutionary chain.
Oh, this fish is definitely as mysterious as it is elusive. It's a very strange fish. I'm in awe of it, as I think most people are. And each time I show it to other people, new people, I find myself getting all excited about it again. The excitement will never die.